It's time to turn the unimaginable into imaginable. Imagine a world free from time-consuming manual processes, multi-layered documents, disjointed IT tools, and limited transparency and visibility on project status. Now you no longer have to imagine it. That world can be yours. Nokia has now digitalized 100% of its 5G network deployment across the globe, which means you can benefit from a seamless, transparent, and faster end-to-end 5G rollout, accelerating both time to market and return on investment. Are you ready for a simpler, faster, more efficient 5G deployment? One that allows end-to-end workflow orchestration so you can deliver the right crew and equipment at the right time and place with full transparency and control. One that enables you to access sites remotely in real time and get a full 360 view for faster, more informed decisions. One that lets you utilize the evolving power of AI and ML innovations to identify defects through automated analysis. One that offers real-time online project, crew and site progress dashboards for improved transparency and more effective project management. And one that can carry out drone-led site visits with digital site design, ensuring the build is 100% right first time. The possibilities are endless. And Nokia's global digital 5G deployment is ahead of the game, enabling you to accelerate time to market by up to 30% and capture market share in 5G. Just imagine how easy that would make your life, with availability to experts through remote collaboration, resulting in eliminating paper documentation and lesser site visits, reduced carbon footprint, and a greener environment. Let us take the stress, hassle, and reduce the cost of ownership out of deploying 5G across your network. Talk to us today and discover how Nokia can turn the unimaginable into imaginable.